In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import slides from another presentation in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to merge content or just pull in some useful material from different presentations, this process is simple and can save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you've launched the latest version for the best experience and functionality. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you're currently working on. This is where you'll be importing the slides. Next, you'll locate the Insert tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab houses various options you might need for enhancing your presentation with new elements, and it's the key to importing slides. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the New Slide drop-down. Clicking this will reveal a few options designed to add new slides to your presentation. However, for our purpose today, you'll want to focus on the Reuse Slides option. Clicking on Reuse Slides opens a panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you get to search and select slides to import. It's a handy little feature that PowerPoint offers to make integrating slides from other presentations a breeze. The panel will prompt you to browse through your computer files. Now you'll find the Browse button within this panel. Clicking this button will allow you to search through your saved files. Here, you'll want to navigate to the specific presentation that contains the slides you wish to import. Finding the right file may take a moment, especially if you have multiple presentations saved, but just take your time and ensure you select the correct one. Once you've found the presentation you want to pull slides from, open it within this panel. PowerPoint will display a list of slides from that presentation. At this point, you are able to scroll through and visually identify the slides you need. Finally, choose the particular slides you wish to import into your current presentation. You can select just one or multiple slides depending on your needs. Once selected, they'll seamlessly integrate into your current presentation. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported slides from another presentation in PowerPoint. This feature is incredibly useful for consolidating information and creating cohesive presentations without the hassle of manually recreating slides from scratch. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to work more efficiently with your PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.